Children, I warmly welcome you to our today's class. I hope you all are very healthy. A dream does not become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination and hard work. So, children, don't hesitate to work hard. Children, fix your goal and do work hard for that. If you work hard, you can achieve in future. Children, today we are going to learn a story. The King and the Angel. Before that, let us say a rhyme. A thick trunk with strong roots, trees give us flowers and fruits, many branches with leaves so green, trees keep the air clean. A thick trunk with strong roots, trees give us flowers and fruits, many branches with leaves so green, trees keep the air clean. Children, did you enjoy the rhyme? I say the rhyme again. You find the theme of the rhyme with the help of the pictures. A thick trunk with strong roots, trees give us flowers and fruits, many branches with leaves so green, trees keep the air clean. Have you found out the theme, children? Yes, you are correct. This rhyme tells about the importance of the trees. Now, we are going to a sports meet. Are you ready, children? There will be a running race in that sports meet. Shall we cheer up the participants? Look at this.
Dear audience, welcome to the stadium for watching a 50-meter running race. I am Jagdishwari from Pommunuthupatti in the commentary box. Adult trees from various gardens are participating in the race. It will be very interesting. Everyone knows banyan tree is our national tree. It is standing very boldly on its track. The fruit-bearing mango tree, the tall coconut tree and the neem tree are standing with very confidence like athletes. Compared to other trees, plantain tree is very tiny, but it's the world's biggest herb, you know. Now the race begins. Audience, watch the trees. They are running in equal speed. The slender coconut tree is coming ahead of the rest. Neem tree is coming very fast. Mango, coconut and plantain trees are running in second position. It will be very tough job to find the runner-up of the race. The plantain tree is very little. Wow! It is trying to reach the first position, but the neem tree doesn't allow it. Oh no! Banyan tree is running very slowly because of the heavy aerial prop roots. What the speed of the neem tree! Mango and coconut trees are giving tough to each other. Neem tree is coming to reach the final line. This is the final stage of the race. Bravo! The neem tree has reached the ultimate goal. I am very happy in announcing the result of 50-meter running race. The neem tree is the winner. Give a big round of applause to neem tree.
I hope you all really enjoyed. Okay, children. You all know the names of the trees. You cheered up the participants very well. Let us move on to our topic. I said the name of the topic a while ago. Can you say that? Wonderful, children. The King and the Angel. The title is The King and the Angel. From the beginning, we are learning about trees and its benefits. What is the relationship between the trees and this topic? Let us see. Children, take page number 78 in your book. The King and the Angel. Look at him. He is the king in this story. King, male ruler of an independent state. ஒரு சுதந்திரமான ஒரு பகுதியை ஆளக்கூடிய ஒரு மேல், அதாவது ஆண் ஆட்சியாளரை என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க அப்படின்னா கிங். Ruler, majesty, lord, leader, chief or other names of the king. He lives in a palace. This is the palace, an official residence of a king. பணி சார்ந்த ஒரு இருப்பிடம் அப்படின்னு palace சொல்றோம். In the story, the king wanted to build a new palace. Look at your book. The king ordered his servant. I want a big palace with wooden pillars. Find the biggest tree and cut it. The king அந்த ஒரு பெரிய பேலஸ்னால் அரண்மனை, அந்த பெரிய அரண்மனையை வுட்டன் பில்லர்ஸ் அதாவது மரத்தூண்களை வச்சு கட்டணும்னு சொல்லி விருப்பப்படுறாங்க. Look at this palace. This is the interior of a palace. These tall vertical structures are called pillars. These are made up of wood. These are the wooden pillars. The king wanted to build a palace with wooden pillars as seen in the picture. What do they need to make wooden pillars? Students, say the answer. Well said. They need trees. They need trees. So that the king ordered the servant to find the biggest tree. The servant replied to the king, "Yes, my lord." What happened then? Children, see your book. They found a big neem tree to cut. The servant of the king ordered the woodcutter cut the tree for the king. Two people of the town were watching that. They requested the Lord's servant, "Oh, please don't harm the tree. It is the oldest tree in the town. It saves us from falling sick." தயவு செஞ்சு இந்த மரத்தை என்ன பண்ணாதீங்க, வெட்டாதீங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி the people வந்து ரொம்ப ரெக்வஸ்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க. They pleaded again and again not to cut the tree because the neem tree saves them from diseases. How can a tree save them from diseases? Children, do you have any idea? Each part of the neem tree has medicinal values. For example, the bark is used for malaria, stomach ulcers. Bark அப்படின்னா அடிமரம், அதை வந்து மலேரியா அண்ட் ஸ்டொமக் அல்சர்னால் வயிற்றில் இருக்கக்கூடிய புண்கள்லாம் வந்து க்யூர் பண்ணுறதுக்கு இந்த barkலேருந்து மெடிசன்ஸ் எடுக்கிறாங்க. The leaf is used for eye disorders, skin ulcers, gum diseases, cardio diseases and so on. The நீமோட லீஃப் இருக்கும் இல்லையா, அதை வச்சு ஐ டிசார்டர் கண் சம்மந்தமான பிரச்சனை, அதுக்கப்புறம் ஸ்கின்னில் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஏதாவது புண், அதுக்கப்புறம் பல்லு சம்மந்தமான எல்லா பிரச்சனையும் we can cure with the leaf. Not only these, the flowers, fruits and neem twigs are used to cure some diseases. The leaf bark மட்டும் இல்லாமல் நீமோட the flowers, fruits and neem twigs. Twig means small branch. இந்த twigs சின்ன branch வச்சு கூட என்ன பண்ணலாம், நம்ம some more diseases cure பண்ண முடியும். So the people of the town protest against the king's order. Look at page number 79 in your book. The people gathered there and said to the employees, "We will not let you cut the tree." The employees replied, "It is the king's order." But the people not allow them to cut. They went to the king and told about the tree and the people. The employees என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, கிங் கிட்ட போய் the people வந்து இப்படி ப்ரொட்டஸ்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்கிறாங்க. The king angrily said, "I will come with you to cut the tree." நான் வந்து அந்த ட்ரீ கட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு நானும் கூட வரேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு the king வந்து சொல்கிறாங்க. That night the angel came in the king's dream. ட்ரீம் அப்படின்னா கனவு, நம்ம தூங்கும்போது வரும் இல்லையா, அந்த மாதிரி அந்த ட்ரீமில் வந்து ஏஞ்சல், த ட்ரீ ஆஃப் த ஏஞ்சல் வந்து கிங்கோட ட்ரீமில் வராங்க. "My lord, I am the angel of the tree. I am home to many birds. There are many small trees near me. Also many come and rest in my shade. Please do not cut me." The angel pleaded the king. நான் தான் இந்த ட்ரீயோட ஏஞ்சல், என்கிட்ட என்ன இருக்குது, நிறைய பேர்ட்ஸ் வந்து என்கிட்ட இருக்குது, அதாவது என்னோடய ஷெல்டராக யூஸ் பண்ணி நிறைய பேர்ட்ஸ் இருக்குது, என் பக்கத்தில் நிறைய சின்ன சின்ன ஸ்மால் ட்ரீஸ்லாம் நிறையா இருக்குது, ஸோ என்ன பண்ணாதீங்க, என்ன கட் பண்ணாதீங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி அந்த ஏஞ்சல் pleaded the king. Children, look here. The ones flying here are messengers of God. They are called angels. Angel is a supernatural being in various religions. இயற்கைக்கு அப்பாற்பட்ட ஒரு கற்பனையான ஒரு உருவம், உயிர் தான் வந்து ஏஞ்சல். In the story, the angel of the tree pleaded the king not to cut her. But the king replied, "Your wood is very good. I have to cut you." என்னோட wood வந்து எப்படி இருக்குது, ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ராங்காக நல்லா இருக்குது, என்னோட பேலஸ் கட்டுறதுக்கு இட் வில் பி மோர் ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல், ஸோ நான் என்ன பண்ணுறேன், அதை உன்னோட கட் பண்ணியே தீருவேன்னு சொல்லி த கிங் வந்து இந்த ட்ரீம்லேயே ரிப்ளை பண்ணுறார். த ஏஞ்சல் ப்ளீடட் அகைன், மறுபடியும் அந்த கிங்கு கிட்ட வந்து என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, கெஞ்சி கேட்குறாங்க. "ஓகே, தென் கட் மீ வென் இட் ரெயின்ஸ்." மழை பெய்யும் போது என்னை கட் பண்ணுங்க. Cut me in 3 parts. First my leaves, then my branches and then my trunk. முதல்ல என்ன பண்ணுங்க, என்னோட லீவ்ஸை கட் பண்ணுங்க. லீவ்ஸ்னால் என்னது, இலைகள். தென் மை பிரான்ச்சஸ், கிளைகளை கட் பண்ணுங்க. கடைசியாக என்னோட ட்ரங்க், அடிமரத்தை கட் பண்ணுங்கன்னு சொல்லி அதுக்கு சொல்கிறது. The king asked. The king asked the angel, why do you say so? ஏன் அப்படி சொல்கிற? Why did the angel say like that? Do you know? Look here. If you cut me only one time, then I may crush the birds and small trees. If I fall in 3 parts, then some of them will live. ஒரே என்டையர் ட்ரீயை ஒரு தடவை கட் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா அது என்ன பண்ணும், அந்த ட்ரீ அந்த பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிற அந்த பேர்ட்ஸ் அண்டு ஸ்மால் ட்ரீஸை என்ன பண்ணிடும், அழிச்சிரும். ஸோ என்ன பண்ணணும், என்னை 3 பார்ட்ஸாக கட் பண்ணுங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி the angel pleaded the king. Children, watch this video. When we cut down an entire tree, it leans over and destroys nearby trees and their leaves. So that the angel of the tree asked her to cut her in 3 parts. The king woke up. He felt bad for the tree. The king realized his mistake and the importance of the trees. He gave up the idea of building a palace with wooden pillars. So he called his employees and ordered them not to cut the tree. Don't cut the tree. We should save all the trees. I will build my palace with rocks. உட்டன் பில்லர்ஸை வச்சு கட்டணுன்ற அவரோட ஐடியாவை என்ன பண்ணிட்டாரு, கிங்கு அபண்டன் பண்ணிட்டு, அதாவது விட்டுட்டு அவர் ராக்ஸ் வச்சு பேலஸ் கட்டிக்கலாம் அப்படின்ற ஒரு முடிவுக்கு வந்துடுறாரு. ஏன்னா ட்ரீஸ் ஆர் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். வாட் டிட் யூ லேர்ன் ஃப்ரம் திஸ் ஸ்டோரி? ட்ரீஸ் ஆர் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஃபார் அஸ். வி ஷுட் நாட் கட் தெம். வி மஸ்ட் சேவ் த ட்ரீஸ். என்ன பண்ணக்கூடாது, ட்ரீஸை கட் பண்ணக்கூடாது. வி ஷுட் சேவ் த ட்ரீஸ். நம்ம ட்ரீஸை ரொம்ப என்ன பண்ணணும், பாதுகாக்கணும். You all listened to the story very patiently. Very good, children. Now we are going to play a small game. Are you ready, children? Children, whenever I begin with do this, you have to do what I do. For example, if I begin with do this and I touch my nose, you also touch your nose. If I begin with do that and I do any action, you should not follow me. Is it clear, children? Get ready. Watch carefully. Do this. Do this. Do that. Do this. Do that. Do this. Do that. Do this. Students, your effort was well done. Did you enjoy the game? This game helps us to concentrate on the lesson. Okay, students, it is reading time. Take page number 78 in your book. I read the story again. You listen carefully. If you can, read along with me. The King and the Angel. A king wanted to build a new palace. I want a big palace with wooden pillars. Find the biggest tree and cut it. Yes, my lord. They found a big neem tree to cut. Cut the tree for the king. Oh, please don't harm the tree. It is the oldest tree in the town. It saves us from falling sick. We will not let you cut the tree. It is the king's order. They went to the king and told about the tree and the people. I will come with you to cut the tree. That night, the angel came in the king's dream. My lord, I am the angel of the tree. I am home to many birds. There are many small trees near me. Also, many come and rest in my shade. Please do not cut me. Your wood is very good. I have to cut you. Okay, then cut me when it rains. Cut me in 3 parts. First my leaves, then my branches, and then my trunk. Why do you say so? If you cut me only one time, then I may crush the birds and small trees. If I fall in 3 parts, then some of them will live. The king woke up. He felt bad for the tree. Don't cut the tree. We should save all the trees. I will build my palace with rocks. Are you able to read the story? I know you have some difficulties to read. Children, reading is much easier if we know the alphabet and sounds of the letters. You already know the sounds of the alphabet of English. The letters are categorized into 2. There are vowels and consonants. Today we are going to learn consonant clusters. Cluster means group of similar things. Consonant clusters are groups of 2 or more consonants with no vowels between them. For example, splash. Splash. In this word, S, P, L are consonants. They are joined together without vowels. These are consonant clusters. In this story, we can see some consonant clusters. First one, build. In this word, L and D are consonant clusters in final position. We read this as ild. Next one, please. Please. P and L consonant letters. They are directly next to each other at the beginning of the word. The next word, crush. Crush. C and R consonant letters are next to each other. We can read this word as crush. In consonant clusters, we can differentiate the sounds of the consonants. Some more consonant clusters are in the story. Children, try to read the words. Tree, first, dream, felt, small, oldest. These underlined letters are consonant clusters. A picture will be helpful to get clear idea of consonant clusters. Bill, block, bir, brush, kill, cloud, kr, crab, dir, dragon, fill, flag, fir, frog, gl, glue, gr, grapes, pill, plane, pir, priest, sk, scarf, sk, squirrel, sill, slide, smoke, sin, snake, isp, spoon, ist, star, sw, swan, tir, tree, twig, spill, splash, skr, scratch, spir, spring, stir, stripe. In some words, 2 consonants stand together to represent a single sound. Such words are called consonant digraphs. Sh, ship, itch, chalk, it, throne, f, phone, and where are the most common digraphs. Consonant S is read as is. Consonant H is read as If they join together, we should read them as ish. This is consonant digraph. Look at the picture, children. Ich, chair. Ich, church. Ghost. Laugh. Phone. Graph. Shower. Cash. It, they. Mouth. Teeth. Then each digraphs. Branch. Chalk. Chick. Lunch. Chips. Chair. Watch. Chocolate. Inch. If digraphs. Think. Throne. Tooth. Bath. Thief. Feather. Math. Mother. Thumb. Earth. These following consonant digraphs are used in this story. Children, take your book and a pencil. Find and circle the words in this story. They, with, shade, crush, should, why, branches, three. I hope you get enough knowledge about clusters and digraphs. Now a small leisure time activity to you children. You have to circle the consonant clusters in page number 78 with the color pencil. You have to circle the consonant clusters in page number 78 with the color pencil. In page number 79, you have to underline the consonant digraphs with another color pencil. You may use any color, children. I know you all like cartoon videos. Now I am going to show a video. A mobile phone and a cute boy are playing hide and seek. Shall we watch them?
Let's see. Where is Rohan hiding? Maybe behind the bush? No Rohan there. Wait, I think he's hiding behind this tree.
Hey, you found me, Junior. Ha ha ha.
The tree was a good hiding spot, bro.
Yeah, but I wish to hide one more place in the backyard, like inside a tree house. Hey, maybe my dad could build me a tree house. Which tree can be cut down to build it?
Rohan, we can't cut the trees whenever we want because we really need them.
Yeah, for tree houses.
No, Rohan, we need trees for more reasons.
Like why? Can you tell me why trees are more important?
Of course I can. Need nature, I am the one. Tap my screen, I make learning fun.
Okay.
See one thing. Trees give it shade when it's really hot outside.
Okay, I can see why shade is important. Why do we need trees?
Well, there are biggest trees around small animals like rodent squirrels.
Oh, watch the squirrels. They are very tiny. They are so much fun. Ha ha ha.
And other reasons. Trees produce fruits for people and animals. Some nuts grow on trees. Some trees like maple trees are important food source for wildlife. Its sap contains water and nutrients.
Oh, wow, I love maple trees. They are really helpful. Can you say some more reasons? Why do we need trees?
We need trees for important reasons.
Oh, what are they?
We need trees for breathing. Trees generate oxygen. This gas is needed for everyone to live. Trees are wonderful gifts by nature. Trees are vital. Don't forget, Rohan, trees are more useful to us.
Wow. Wow, that's really amazing, Junior.
Well, Wait and see this. World's most needed oxygen is produced by trees in rainforest.
The rainforest must be really important.
Hey, sure. They give shelter and food to animals and birds. Trees reduce erosion and pollution.
Superb. What are the other reasons to need trees?
The things which are used daily by everyone are made by trees. Wooden houses, furniture, and even paper.
Paper is made from trees. I cannot believe this. Could the trees in my backyard ever be used to make any other things?
Indeed, they do. Trees are used to make usually curved things like toys, instruments, vessels, and so on. They are very strong also.
Oh, that's so good. Instead of asking my dad for a tree house, I asked him to plant a tree in my backyard.
What a great idea.
Trees are so amazing, Junior. Thank you for taught me to know about the trees.
Hey, we are friends. We do things together for fun and learn.
Children, did you enjoy the video? I hope you enjoyed a lot. Let us quick recap of this story and video. Trees are the very best friends of humanity. They purify air and provide fruits, woods, etc. to human beings. They provide food and shelter for birds and animals also. Many creatures make their habitat on trees. We need trees for oxygen and our good health. They help to control air pollution by absorbing carbon dioxide. Trees help in bringing rain. They also keep the atmosphere cool. Trees are really invaluable to humans and all living beings. Students, we are nearing the end of this session. Before concluding the session, I say some slogans. Please repeat them, children. Are you ready? Trees on. Global warming gone. Cut the greed, not the green. Cut the greed, not the green. Plant a tree, make our earth risk-free. Tree plantation is the best option. Tree plantation is the best option. I am very proud of you, children. You all learned very interestingly. When you are free, water a tree. Don't forget, children. When you are free, water a tree. Bye, children. Take care.